crushes it to deep right field. Goodbye.
Shohei going way back, right center, made the adjustment, and what a swing for Ohtani.
106 on the exit velocity, 421 feet.
Top five, Corey Kluber back on the mound for the Yankees. Top of the order for the Blue Jays, Marcus Semien. 1-2 pitch on the way from Kluber, and Semien turns on it, hits a fly ball deep left field. It is gone. Got a fastball in and yanked it down the left field line for his first home run as a Blue Jay. The Blue Jays could get anywhere near that kind of production this year, Buck, they would be thrilled.
Oh, and first pitch crushing! Oh man, lean into it. 1-0.
Owning the situation, and again we talked about, you know, guys that Vladdy's kind of been in the peer group with, Acuna and Soto and Tatis, and
Charlie Montoya will ask him to play third.
1-1 is drilled to right field and deep and gone. Guerrero with an opposite field home run, his first of the season, and the Blue Jays have taken an early 1-0 lead.
And he's really swinging the bat well. This is a beautiful swing on a pitch up in the zone, and he knows he got it all. It's a very inviting short porch in right field here at Yankee Stadium, and Guerrero puts the Jays out in front.
Boy, what a good sign that is. 380 feet, 107 miles an hour.
And it is up to Fernando Tatis Jr. High drive to deep left center field for Fernando Tatis Jr. Home run!
And he knew it. Everybody in the ballpark knew it. Even the outfielders, Peralta, Marte, they just gave it the old courtesy look. Time for a new baseball. Fourth at bat, single to left. Here in the ninth, first pitch hack in.
One out to Salvador Perez. Salvi hits it to center field. The wind will push it, and that ball is gone for a two-run home run.
Fans were waiting for Salvador Perez to check in, and maybe on the day they gave him his Silver Bat Award and his Comeback Player of the Year Award, he says, I got to do something. It's a four-seam fastball, and I was just getting ready to say, one bad pitch, the Royals can take advantage of it. They can get right back in this game, and sure enough, here they come.
In the Texas lineup.
The 2-1 to Semien, drilled deep left field. It is gone. Up into the second deck. The second home run of the season for Semien.
Bring it a drive deep to center field. Get up, get out of here, and gone.
Season.
Ohtani crushes one towards center field. To the wall, out of here.
Great play by the...
Only one base runner on the two-out walk to Suzuki last inning. Did Shohei get him? Get going to right and gone!
Kansas City.
Third strike. First pitch swinging, and he crushes it. Deep left center field. It's hit a mile. Guerrero with a home run, his third on the season.
Oh,
There we go.
baby!
Deep left center field. Splash! And it's over. And there it goes. And it's another Salvi splash into the water.
Shohei Ohtani. Shohei Ohtani hits a high fly ball to right field. To the wall. Goodbye.
Fernando Tatis Jr., welcome to Dodger Stadium. Out of the yard to the pavilion to put the Padres on top 2-1. In the air to deep left field, down the line towards the corner. It is gone. A home run. Fernando's gone deep again in LA. And this one is in the air to deep left field. Back goes A.J. Pollock. He is at the wall. And Fernando has left the building again. Fernando Tatis Jr. with 2 last night leads off Game 3 tonight with another home run. You cannot do it any better than he is doing it right now. There's a fly ball headed towards deep left center field. Back goes DJ Peters at the wall. Nando's left the building again. Second home run of the night for Fernando Tatis Jr. 2 last night, 2 tonight. 3-2 Padres.
The extra base variety. Wing and a drive out to center field. That one's well struck. Straw running out of room. He leaps and it's gone. Shohei legging it around the pillows in record-breaking time, just like he did in his last homer. He wasn't taking anything for granted.
Shohei drives it deep right center field. Oh, Shohei gone! Look how far that baseball went.
You're going to get away with looking at signs.
Did he get another one? Did he get another one? Yes, he did!
Swing and a drive. Get up, ball. Get out of here. And grand slam for Vladdy Guerrero Jr.
That's what we came for. You're playing with fire.
Swing and a drive. Deep to center. Get up, ball. Get out of here. Gone. His second home run of the night to straightaway center. Swing and a drive. Get up, ball. Get out of here. How about a 3-homer night for Vladdy?
Well, he found the ball he wanted to hit. You know what's would have been the most impressive?
Oh, Shohei got that one. He got that one. Haniger measures it off, but it's not coming back. Number 8 for Ohtani.
Man, I was just going to say, don't let one of those...
Center field. Shohei sayonara again. Take your time.
That is jolted into deep left center field and a salvy splash. A grown man hit that ball. That thing.
At the 2.
Blue Jays.
Tried to go out there again with the breaking ball. Shohei hits it toward the monster and gone!
Swing and a drive. Get up, ball. This ball is going to be... There's a shot. There's a deep drive to right center. This one's going to go. Get out of here. Gone.
How in the world did he hit that ball? But he hits it to deep right. It will carry, and it's gone to the opposite field.
Shohei, high fly ball to the corner it goes, into deep right field, Ohtani. Oh my!
Get a drive, and this one is long gone, folks. Vladdy Guerrero. Strikeout.
Oh my goodness, Shohei Ohtani, what can't he do? He does it again, a mile high, toward the wall, Shohei Ohtani!
Seriously, are you kidding me?
Dead center field, Ohtani, number 14.
Opposite field, Nando, home run!
And now he has hit one. Marcus Semien is on fire. Swinging a drive deep to right field. That ball is gone.
High drive, deep right field. Back is Haniger. There's home run number 50. High drive, deep left field. Hit number 200. Fly ball center field. Lewis going back, looking up. This is still Slam Diego, and this is Fernando Tatis Jr.'s world. A grand slam puts the Padres on top, 8-1.
Vladdy hits it high and deep to center, and this is a long one over the hitter's eye in deep center field. Wow. Home run number 14 for Guerrero. 3.9 OPS. He hits a high fly ball deep to left field. The Rosa Raiders back. It's out of here. Vladdy Guerrero is second home run of the ball.
He drills a ball right center field, and it is gone. He has done it again, and he is the 2-1.
This one is driven to deep left field for Fernando. It's up and gone. Fernando hits one in the air down the left field line and is headed towards the pole. It is headed onto the tracks. It's a 3-run home run. History in Houston for Fernando Tatis Jr.
That's
423 feet the distance.
First time up.
Oh, there's the shot we're looking for. It is gone. A one-run game. That ball carries to left, and Salvi has two tonight.
And he busts this one to center field. And he's coming back. That ball is a gun. Salvador Perez on the runs and RBIs now. And he hits one high in the air and deep to right. That's a way back into the corner and gone. Back-to-back two-homer games for Salvador Perez.
High fly ball, deep center field. Williams going back onto the track at the wall. Gone! Two-run home run for Fernando Tatis Jr. He's back, and he's back big. Padres lead it 2-0.
Well, it had that sound, right? You see the trajectory of the ball off the four-seamer. You know, and that's a swing that usually means that he got a lot of it. Well, now let's go to Mason Williams. He's in his glove, in and out. Oh.
And it's not their first matchup. Shohei Uchimasta. Shohei Ohtani.
In one. Breaking ball high and deep to left field. That's going to be close. It's going to stay down.
They're trying to do as much damage as they could. Like
There's
that.
damage right there. Shohei. Way,
Sayonara. Where did that land? Just like that.
Couple rolls from the top.
2-0 Angels. Shohei, goodness.
That's incredible how
Able to muscle that ball out of the park, and that's exactly what that's.
And Salvi gets on that slider. Deep left field and home run number 2. And this one.
0-2 pitch hit high in the air, deep left center field, gone. Vladdy's big night continues as he
Careful throwing him any strikes in the zone because he's all over everything. And he can tell, boy, when you square it up on the barrel here at Fenway Park, you know it's going to go out of the ballpark.
and he sends the first pitch high and deep to left field and gone. Another home run for the Blue Jays. There's
then people anticipated as Tatis drives one to deep left field and gone into the second deck for Fernando.
As good as Sale has been, it's going to take him a while.
Simeon drives the ball to deep center. Gone! The third home run of the game already for the Blue Jays.
Tatis Jr.
A drive out to left field for Tatis. The Slam Diego Padres are on the road in New York, and Fernando Tatis Jr. has put them on top 6-2 with a grand slam.
Big-time players do big things. Barnes doesn't.
That's another good swing on it. Terrific follow-through, and this is a deep drive. I mean, when right-handers hit it out to the opposite field, that's a shot.
Breaking ball hit high and deep to left field. Tie game!
Oh, Shohei got him! Got him! Yeah!
Auto in scoring position for Fernando. Hits one deep in the air to deep right field. Yeah. Back goes Blackman. That'll go!
Well, and that one.
He did it again. Got him!
Fly ball, deep left field, crushed. Fernando Tatis Jr. connects on his 21st home run of the year, and the Padres are on the board emphatically. It is our Arco top.
Simeon hitting 290 for the.
Now Salvi hits it high and deep to left field. Grossman is back. Gone for a two-run home run.
Waker going back at the wall. Into a sea of San Diego. Fernando Tatis Jr. homers. Padres leading 1-0. Break up the no-hit bid for Wade Miley.
High in the air, deep to right. Renfroe is back. It's gone. Number 18.
Shohei drives it to right field, toward the wall. Gone! Shohei Ohtani to the opposite field. Gone! Number 21.
I just love this reaction in the stands here at the Big A. Shohei Ohtani, when he comes to the plate, you expect some magic. Magic again.
Ohtani cracks one deep to left, way back there, and is gone!
Laddie swings at the first pitch. Deep left center field. Gone! Elves is still good. Simeon sends the 3-2 to left field. This ball's well hit and gone.
Here in the 8th inning.
Marcus Simeon, first pitch swinging, drives it to left field, his second home run of the game.
Shohei Ohtani hits a high fly ball to right center field. Running through for Ohtani. We're tied.
And Showings to the team. Swinging a drive, a high fly ball to left field, and this ball is gone. Another Vladdy Guerrero home run.
Homestand. And a home run here in Tampa St. Pete. That didn't take long. Oh, man. Too sexy for the catwalk. 1-0 Halos. Gotcha.
Now that's a leadoff swing for Shohei Ohtani, 24th home run. Just like we talked about in the opening, the fans loving it for Shohei, doing some damage after he starts a game and a smile on his face. You have to smile when you hit a ball that far. Shohei Ohtani has turned that changeup over, and Shohei goes, you know what? I'm going to hit it further.
High drive, deep left field off the bat of Fernando. At the wall, it is gone! Here's a drive to deep left field. Back goes Peralta at the wall. It's gone! Nando's done it again! His second home run of the night, and the Padres. Fernando drives one to center field. Pavin Smith is back. Third home run of the night for Fernando. The trifecta for the Nando. Two-run shot. Riley Smith hits Pham, and then Fernando hits Riley Smith out of the yard. 8-5 San Diego.
Swinging a high fly ball to left field. This ball's gonna go. Gone. Two-run home run for.
Shohei drives that one left field. It's well struck, tracking to the wall. Gone! Ohtani crushes one deep right field. Goodbye!
Oh, did he do it again? He got another one! That one's hit well. And that one's gone again! He did it again! Get off me! Bring that fastball into my hands. Get off me!
How do you turn on that pitch there? Unless you're Superman. How quick those hands are for Shohei Ohtani.
Swinging a swing.
Another. His 30th pitch is hit in the air down the left field line, and that ball will be gone. A home run. It's a one-run game now.
Deep center field, up toward the monster, and gone.
Cucci. There's a drive to left field, hit high and deep, and this one is gone.
And it's this. He said, I've handled velocity and hit it out. Like I've handled velocity out over the plate. Ohtani crushes it. This one to left field. This one is gone. Wow.
I've never seen anything like this.
Separated himself of Marco.
To shohei Ohtani. Center field. Let's watch it go. Wow. Wow. Oh, to the batter's eye in center field. That's 31 for Ohtani.
Boy, that bat flip, that went 459 feet. Shohei Ohtani.
In the air to deep left field for Fernando. Second basket. It's a one-run game. Home run number 27 of the year for Tatis Jr. Oh. 2-2 home.
Oh, he's going to get to jog around the bases. He did it again. He's a beast.
High drive, deep left field for Fernando. Upper deck.
Oh, got it. Got it. 33.
Oh, wow. Where did that one go? That's his 11th home run versus left-handed pitching this year. He was slugging 680 versus lefties.
Come on. Did you see Justin Upton? He had his hands on his head, Macaulay Culkin style from Home Alone. Like, I can't believe what I just saw.
Oh, man.
Salvi hits that a mile. Ding, 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 ding. Salvador Perez.
So it will be nice to get back.
Guerrero lifts one to left field and gone! Guerrero turns on one, hits it to deep left field and gone! Right on out of the ballpark for his second home run. Now he gets a fastball, turns on it, and belts it to left field for a long home run. As Guerrero swings at the first pitch, drives it deep left field and gone. Number 32.
Ohtani, right center field, and deep, and gone!
High drive to deep left field for Fernando Tatis Jr. Gone! Driven to deep center field. The ball going back, and that ball is gone. Home run.
He hits this one hard, deep to left field. Get up, ball. Get out of here and gone. Home run for Marcus Semien. What a battle.
High drive.
As well.
Ohtani, way up there. Ohtani, right field, a bullet, and gone! Three-run shot, 37! And the Angels grab the lead.
Boy, and the fans are going nuts here. That's why they came to the ballpark to see something special, and Shohei did it again. Three-run home run number 37, 81 RBIs for Showtime. Show me the money. Three-run home run. Just like that, the halo.
There it is.
Second, 2 outs. Guerrero hits a high long one. If it's fair, it's way gone. And it is a fair ball. Vladdy Guerrero.
And there it goes, up into the heat and the humidity. Hamilton is back, and and that ball is wet.
That is such an extra confidence booster. And there it was. And he's already smiling. Tap, go please.
Selby
Get out.
deep to left field.
Get out.
The fence, and it is a goner.
Sun shining in as this one is lifted to left center. It is well hit and off the wall, I believe, or is it out?
Yes.
It is out. It was off the facing of the lower deck. It's a two-run homer for Marcus Semien. And the Blue Jays go up 3-0.
The order. Swing and a drive. Stay fair ball and gone. Vladdy Guerrero, a bullet into the seats, and just like that, the Blue Jays.
He does, and Salvi gets on top of it and drills it deep to left field over the bullpens.
Have just one hit. Simeon goes out to the first pitch, high and deep to left. Get up, get out of here, and gone! Game winner for Marcus Semien. His first career walk-off home run. Breaking ball hit high and deep to left. Get up, ball, get out of here, and gone! A two-run home run for Vladimir Guerrero Jr., his 35th of the season.
Witt.
Jumps on it. The home run.
High fly ball to deep left field for Fernando. It's back towards the wall, and it is gone! Driven in the air to deep left field off the bat of Nando. It is gone! 2 home runs today, and the return of Fernando Tatis Jr.
Oh, baby. There we go. That'll get him on the board. And that'll get the fans out of their seats. That ball's going to be...
Se va, se va, se fue.
Oh, Ohtani got it! He got it! Number 40! A franchise record for left-handed hitters, 3-1 Halos.
Oh, Uncle! Shohei Ohtani, number 40. 7 incredible innings on the mound, and he just smashes a baseball a mile. Hey, is there ever a drop the mic moment in baseball? That might be it right there with that swing for Shohei.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
There's another drive to left field. Get up, ball, get out of here, and gone! Back-to-back home runs on consecutive pitches. Second homer of the EP, simply staying flat-footed and just trying to hit the ball to the right side. And that's got him back in the groove.
Beautiful swing. He's dangerous on any pitch, anywhere in the zone. He's one of the best bat ball hitters we've been. You can tell that ball through. He's just lava hot when it comes to hitting homers.
Marcus Semien, that is his first hit in 12 at-bats against Erasmo.
Salvi drills it to deep left field, and he gets...
Fly ball, deep right field off the bat of Fernando. That ball is back, and it is gone! Fernando Tatis Jr. has tied the score in the bottom of the 15th inning. El Nino! Unbelievable!
That'll make you forget about your 0 for 6.
Run after.
Season. That ball got out of here in a hurry.
Well, it's right in his swing path. That's
Swinging and drive. Get out of here, ball. Get up, and gone.
And Salvi blasts it to left field. Gone for a grand slam, and the Royals second in the last 2 games. The left in the first inning. Center field. Deep. Kelnick. Yes! Gone! Wow! History for the Royals in back-to-back nights. Last night was the first time in franchise history they had a grand slam in consecutive games, and Salvi writes another chapter, and the Royals have tied it at 5 in the fourth in his career in any month. And Salvi hits that one well to left field. It is gone! Off the top of the wall and into the Royals bullpen. And that is home run number 11 in this month. 37 on Bob Oliver, and right on cue, Salvador Perez hits it off the facing of the upper deck. So make it 8 home runs and 15 RBIs on this trip. And he's responsible for another home run in the Sonics.
Ohtani, deep and high and gone! Oh, 42 is a bomb to right!
Wow, where did that go? Shohei! Wow, number 42! Now 90.
And it's going pretty well. Rips it to left field, and this game is tied.
You know what else, when he nods his head like that, it's like, okay.
And Vladdy drills it to left field, and it's gone.
You know, the mistake was not throwing a curve.
Now he drives one to right. And he didn't miss here. Third home run in the last 2 nights for Vladimir Guerrero Jr. This one is lined at deep left field, and there 2. Fastball hit high and deep to left field. And the Blue Jays win it.
Did he get it? Did he get it? He did! Wow! Shohei Fernando launches one to left. Another one for the Padres. Upper tank and his league-leading 37.
Perez to dead center field. Robert back. And see you later, Alex Gordon, because Salvador Perez is now 4th. Oh, and he hammers that one. Oh, high and deep. That's the way back. Leaping is gone. It hits the top of the wall. And now back on. Oh, and well. He got it. Field. That's way gone. Number 41 for Salvador Perez gives the Royals a 3-0 lead.
On the team as well, as he sends a fly ball high and deep to left field. He's got another one. Number 35 for Simeon, and it is 4-0.
Remember when it was a hanging breaking ball, he hits it to right. Doesn't take much to hit it out of here. Fastball near the zone. There's one deep drive to left field. Get him, ball. Get out of here and gone. Stay hot, Marcus. Marcus Simeon with the bases loaded. Bringing a high fly ball to left field. This ball is in the corner. This ball is going to go. Grand slam home run. Marcus Simeon is on fire. The 6th grand slam forward between AAA and the big leagues. And there's a drive to left field. Get up, ball stayed fair. And how about another one? Stay hot, Marcus. Homers in 3 straight games. 6 home runs in his last 6 games. And he's also struck out. It's a chance here. And Roddy.
3-2 fastball, line to right, and deep, and gone! Like a... Fly ball to deep center field. Back goes Cody Bellinger. He is at the wall. The ball is gone!
This season, like, well, if you're going to get a hit, you got to do it off the breaking ball.
There's a high fly ball to center, right up against the fence and gone!
found his footing.
Vladdy hits one high and deep to left, and that ball is gone.
Hooks it down the left field line. Gone! There it is right there. And your typical launch angle for a home run's 25-30 degrees. That was 15 degrees. That ball was absolutely smoked down the line. Didn't have time to hook.
It got out of here in a heartbeat, didn't it?
113.9 miles an hour off the bat.
Side, and it's out over the plate, and there it goes. You can't sneak a piece of cheese by a hungry Salvi. No way. Right center field, deep, back goes Brown. It's gone for number.
Lynn. And he says hello to the dog driving the car.
Working quickly. Guerrero rips it to left field. Number 46 for.
Oh. Left center field, deep, no way. Go! He's a machine.
Effective pitch.
Club to left field, number 40. To eliminate those extra runs. Now Simeon hits it a long way to left center field for number 41.
High fly ball, deep left center field. And Salvador Perez has the Royals third.
Ohtani, deep and high and gone and 45.
High fly ball, deep left field. Back goes Bryant at the wall. There's 40.
And Simeon is all over it. Left center field, and it is gone. Number 42 for Marcus Simeon, and the Blue Jays are on the board. On a home run by Teoscar Hernandez. And now Simeon clubs the ball deep left field, and he has gone deep.
There it is. Into the corner. Gone. Kauffman Stadium. And he hits it to center field. Deep and gone.
Quite as good lately. Simeon, deep left field, gone!
High drive sent to deep left field. That ball is crushed to the back of the pavilion and on top of the pavilion.
He's a very good defender.
Now Vladdy. Look at this one go! A monster. Shoots it to right field, and this one is gone.
In yesterday's game.
High and deep to left field. Simeon again.
That's well hit out to right, and he's done it! Ohtani leads off the game with a homer!
Yes! What a way to get RBI number 100 of the season. Showtime! Show me the money with a swing there.